Welcome to the next part of the interactive video and linking tutorial. I'll now show you how to edit the file from the previous tutorial. So let's open up the file and resize within the portal. On scene 1 you can see we have our video opening fine. On scene 2 however, we are missing the hand pointer and the link image that prompts us to click to scene 3. Scene 3 also has missing content, being the title link, video file and hand pointer, so these will need to be added also. Scene 4 has no content whatsoever, so we must add the same video file on scene 3, as well as the two links that prompt us to go back and forth between the remaining scenes. Scene 5 just has the Multistream logo, but you might notice a sticker below, not on the canvas. This is used to help the tweening or moving of the image into scene 6. We'll also still need to add the visit image too. Finally, scene 6 is somewhat different to 5. The logo and 3 sign-up images are placed fine on the media board, although we still need to add the sticker image. Let's now go back to scene 1 and start editing and looking at the different transition types. To do this, click the cogwheel in the top left-hand corner of the scene thumbnail. A new window will appear showing the list of different transitions and scene options. On this first scene, we have a 7-second video, although we want to make this automatically play upon video start, while transitioning to scene 2 smoothly. To do this, let's go back to the transition settings and tick some options that may help us achieve this. Let's choose autoplay, fade in, and set the duration to just over the video length. 9 seconds should be fine. Moving on to scene 2, we still need to add some content, so let's do this now. To add clickable regions for scenes and external websites, we must locate the link feature inside the media board navigation bar. To add links that are inside the media board, it really is quite simple. Just input the number of your scene that you would like the link to click to, and that's it. In this instance, we want this to go to scene 3, so we simply type in the number 3. For scene 3, we must remember to drag and drop the same hand pointer image from scene 2, as the tweening transition feature won't work. Back to scene 2, let's change the transitions again by clicking the cogwheels on the scene thumbnail. This time we just want the scene to tween and fade in, so let's select these options. We'll also add the same options for scene 3, as we want our hand to move to the YouTube icon smoothly. Now, to send an external link to another site, in our case YouTube, copy the URL you wish to direct to and simply paste into the link bar above. Remember to add the full address, otherwise the feature will not work. As you can see in our example, we have the URL to the text editor tutorial on YouTube. Let's now add the remaining video and image content to scene 3. As scene 4 has an expanded view of the video from scene 3, we must remember to again drag the same file from the file manager and resize it to fit the full width of the canvas. Now let's change the transition settings for scene 4 and 3. On scene 4, as we want our video to play automatically, let's hit autoplay, as well as tweening and fading in. This is imperative to when resizing to a larger video view. For scene 3, we already have tweening and fading in on for the hand pointer, so let's just add autoplay for the video function. Remember, we must still add a clickable element for the expand button. Again, to do this, just type in the link box which scene you want it to direct to. For us, this is scene 4. Scene 3 is now complete with transitions. For scene 4, we still need to add the back and forward links to move between scenes 3 and 5. Let's do this now, and also add the relevant links with the desired numbers. On scene 5 you can see we have the Multistream logo placed in the middle, with the link directing to the home page. Let's now add the final visit image, as well as making this a link to the Multistream homepage too, as we want users to be directed to any option they click on. Let's also add tweening and fading in too for transition effects. For scene 6, we want our sticker to tween from the bottom in. To do this, you must add it into scene 5 outside of the canvas. We'll now add the same image to scene 6 and place in a finished position in the middle. Once we add a tweening transition effect to scene 6, a nice smooth video effect will occur. You will also notice that the free sign up button has a clickable region to a specific landing page within the Multistream website. As I want scene 5 to only last 5 seconds, I'll make sure I add a new scene duration time, as well as adding final transition effects to scene 6. Our media board file is complete, all with clickable regions and transition effects. This will definitely make your file more engaging and compelling to the viewer. Let's now save our workout and view in the Dice Player. Hopefully you now understand how to create clickable regions within your media board broadcast, as well as linking to external websites. If you would like any more information or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the Multistream team.